When you find a question, Damara, you're going to send it in the group. Marlon, I'm giving you back permission. Who's recording? Please stop recording. It's live on YouTube, so you don't need to record. All right. So when you record, you take away all my space. All right. So it's live on YouTube, so you don't need to record. All right. Hold on now, Marlon. I'm gonna give you that permission back. And if you're leaving Marlon, you just give Damara or make Damara co-host Marlon. Give Damara or Anastasia host position. So one of you, if it happens that Marlon is leaving and you happen that you get bumped off, then automatically one of you will become the host. All right, give me back co-host position as well, Marlon. All right. I'm listening now to hear the area, what the area is. The question that you're supposed to find must be a CSEC question on enlargement. So if you have the CSEC papers, past papers, you're going to scroll through. When you find a question on enlargement, you're going to do a screenshot, send it in the group so Marlon can see, so you can put it on screen when we're ready for it. All right, and the others can have it in the group. All right, so Nastasia should be looking for a question, and Damari should be looking for a question. Okay, Damari, thank you, darling. All right, Laron, first question. What's the area of that one? Marlon, can we have back the question that we had before, honey? Marlon, we're seeing your entire screen. We're not seeing the question. So anything that you're doing, we're seeing it. All right, so Laron, what's the area of so work out the area of rectangle A. And then the area of rectangle B. So tell me the area of both rectangles, Laron. Is anyone speaking because I'm not hearing anybody? Marlon? Oh, okay, yeah, I hear it now. Good. And Marlon, as
I'm hearing me.
all right, so as Dejana did yesterday, if my background gets too noisy, you just put me. So as Dejana did yesterday, Marlon, if my background gets too noisy, just put me on mute, all right? And carry on with the class.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see the question again, please. Laron, you ready to give me the area for that one? Just count up the squares, and that will be the area, honey. So count the squares in A.
Miss, I know, Miss, but every time you remove it, Miss, I keep getting mixing up.
Oh, okay, all right. So look at it and tell me what the area is.
$32.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, yes, 32. Is there a short way that you could do it instead of counting all of the squares?
Yes, miss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Miss, four is the width. Four is the width, miss. 1,
Ah,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 is the length. So 8 times 4 gives
mhm.
32.
Beautiful. And this is Laron Cow. Is it? Did I pronounce your last name properly? Pronounce your last name for me. Go.
Go. Yes, miss, go.
Gao. So this is Laron Gao, as grade 6 student who is here participating in our CSEC class. Beautiful. All right, when we get our CSEC question, we're going to try you with it, Laron, and see how you do for us today. I know you'll do a great, good job. All right. All right. Scroll and let us see the next part of the question, please, Marlon. No, Marlon, the same question that we were on, it has more than one part to it. Yes, a little, hold on, scroll a bit. All right, rectangle B is an enlargement. So they want to know what's the scale factor. What's the scale factor? How many times A is rectangle B? So is rectangle B twice, 1.5 times, two
Miss,
times,
I
three
know.
times, 4 times? Go ahead, honey. Go ahead.
Miss, a rectangle A can go into rectangle B 4 times.
Hold on. Let me check first. Marlon, go back to the question. Marlon, go back to the question. Let me look at it first. I don't think it's 4 times. No, not 4 times. Mm,
Miss, sure because
look at it.
rectangle. Miss, because rectangle
Look at the
A is
size.
8
Yes.
and
No,
rectangle
no,
B
the
is
size. You cannot
32.
look at the area. You cannot look at the area for the scale factor. You look at the length. Not the area, but the length. So for the scale factor, you look at the length, not the area. So you compare the size, length of each side.
It's a can't see the thing.
You see you, Janelle? You have become too much of a bit style.
Students, this is the first.
Hold on. I'm not seeing it properly, Marla. We're not seeing it properly, honey.
Miss,
Okay, we're seeing it good now. All right, good. So scroll up a bit so we can see the full question.
Miss, what is your name? Miss, I wasn't hearing you, Miss. Okay, repeat what you were saying.
I'm asking you to scroll up a bit so we can see the question properly. So scroll up and then zoom in so we can see the question properly. Zoom in some more. Zoom in some more. A little bit more. That's good. So if rectangle B is an enlargement of rectangle A. So go up a bit so we can see. I want us to find the scale factor. Look at it now. Yes, stop right there. That's fine. So look at the size now, Larone. Look at the width. How many times is the width of B? The width of
Wait, what? It was
pardon me?
breaking up. Missy was breaking up.
Uh-huh.
Missy was
Okay.
breaking
So
up.
look at the length. Oh, you hear me clearly now?
Not really, Mr. Background is noisy.
All right, Marlon, explain the question to the comment, please.
So, Miss, I heard you saying something about width, Mister. So, Mister was saying that A width must go into B width, Mister.
So A are like two times no. B are like two times A. So when you say a base wait, a width are like two times the width of A. So that's it twice scale factor. So you have the width here so the A are two. When you count the 1, 2. And when I say the scale factor, you have to multiply it by 2. So 2 times 2 are 4. So when I count B with you get 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So,
Ah,
so yeah, 1, operation 2. We say scale factor are 2. Scale, scale. There's something. There's, you know this is scale factor. This it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Just messy when you see like this a 2, a 2, and here's a 4. The scale factor at 2 factor can multiply itself.
yeah,
You get me messy though.
yeah.
There's a 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 4, 4 times 2 are 8. And 2 times 2 are 4. Say
All right, good job, Marlon. Go into the group now. I sent a question. We're gonna start with that one. That's a CSEC past paper question. That's a multiple choice. So we're gonna start with that one. Put your phone back on Lance on portrait, Marlon. For this question, portrait. You hear me, Marlon? No, don't zoom out. Yeah, portrait it. Turn back your phone to portrait. Don't zoom out. So put your phone on portrait. Good, beautiful. All right, so that's good. Go ahead and read this question for me, Damara. Damara,
Yes, miss.
read the question for me, honey.
From the top. Items 58 refers to the following diagram, which shows an enlargement. In the diagram, triangle ABC is mapped onto triangle complement A, complement B, complement C, where O is the center of enlargement. What is the scale factor of the enlargement?
All right, provide me with the answer for that, please. What did I ask you? What is the scale factor of enlargement? You did a good job on showing that, Marlon. Explain to them what you did there so that they can replicate that in the future.
Oh, miss. Wait.
Remember, you're talking to your classmates now, so it's not about me. All
All right,
right, so remember
so
that you're the leader for today. You're in charge.
what I did, I drew the lines there so it can help me to know the coordinates and like like I said I already know what to say, miss, because I
Yeah,
want to
no, no, no,
understand.
no, you're doing good so far. Just take your time. You're doing good so far. So you can know the coordinates. What else it helps you with? If you don't know anything else, so if you don't come to your mind, that's fine. Alright? Well, the coordinates is good. But when you're
Like
looking
come
for scale, you're comparing what? You're comparing what of the triangle or what of the rectangle? You're comparing what?
miss, it's not hearing it properly.
When you're looking at for the scale factor, what are you comparing?
The size.
The size. And what about the sides? The,
Um,
the starts with the word L, man.
larger or something.
The length. All right, not larger. Yeah, so we're looking at the length of the sides. All right. So yes, so we're looking at, so it helps you with the coordinates and it helps you to know what the length of the sides are. All right. So go ahead now, Damara, honey, and tell us what the scale factor is. So they say, what is the scale factor of the enlargement? So we're looking at triangle ABC prime. Oh, Damara, you're the one that circled that answer, honey?
No, miss.
And teacher, how you have to give your class question and you do the question? You teacher
No,
Mara?
I never know some of the teacher.
All right. So yes, 2 is correct. Did you get the same answer, Damara?
Yes, miss.
All right, good, good. All right, great. So we're gonna continue with the others. All right. Go to the next question now, Marlon, the one that I sent.
Can I zoom in, please?
All right, so the question is in the group. Maybe what you
Zoom in.
might need to do is try landscape. Oh no, the question is better shown in portrait. It's better shown in portrait. All right, try zooming. You can only zoom in a little bit, a little bit more. All right, stop right there. That's fine. All right, so they will have to look at the question. If you try zooming in on your phone, because even when Marlon zoom in, I can zoom in on my phone. I can make it small or big on my phone.
Miss,
If you're using a computer,
miss the laptop, let me zoom in.
it should. It should. I can still zoom in on my laptop if I was using my laptop.
No,
Fine.
I'm zooming in right now. Miss, I ain't not letting me.
All right. Oh,
Miss, I
all
know
right.
how to zoom in. Miss, it just not letting me zoom in.
All right. Hold on, Lauren. I'm gonna send the question to you. All right. All right. This question needs to be written on the graph paper. So everyone needs to get their graph paper now. And I'm giving you.
Miss, I do not have a graph paper.
All right. So yeah, no graph paper, none at all.
Miss, I used to have it. Miss, I used to have one, miss, but I used it over my mother.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna try and send the question to you, Lauren. There's some bits of it that you can do. All right, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna give you 15 minutes to do that, and then we go through.
Miss Hunter. Miss Hunter. Miss.
Hello, Laron. I was hearing you, darling, but wasn't able to answer at that time.
Miss Hunter.
Hmm?
Miss I have to leave to go get ready to go to school.
Okay, my darling. See you next time. Okay, Laron.
Yes, miss.
All right. Bye bye.
Alright, miss.
All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share a video, right, in regards to looking at the center of enlargement. All right, so in the event that you do not hear my explanation, you'll hear the video, and then I'll give my explanation after. When I share the video, let me know if if you're hearing me properly, if you're hearing it clearly. Was anyone able to hear the video just now?
No, miss.
You hear me? Marlon, DJ,
Yes, miss, I'm hearing you.
were you able to hear the video?
No, miss. I didn't hear you.
All right, Marlon, put back the question on screen. I'm going to copy the link to the video and send to you. All right, I'm not able to hear the video. So what I want you to do is if you're using a computer and you're using your computer, when you click share, an option that should come up on your computer, I don't know why I'm not seeing it on my phone, that allows you to share your audio. Yeah, there should be an option. You're using your phone, I'm not seeing it on my phone. DJ, what are you using? Constance, what are you using? Damara? Okay, join with your phone, Marla. Join with your phone, Damara. right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna continue with that question later today, all right? So you have the question, we know what the question is going to be for later, we're gonna start it. And get ready for school now. Bye all. Have a great day. Bye. Close off the class for me. Close off the class for me.
Okay.